Okay, I guess I'm gonna put this on YouTube so I can always remember all the work I did, plumbing repairs, electrical, whatever. If you ever run into this problem right here, as you can see, it's self-explanatory. It keeps dripping. The drip won't stop dripping. So, that's a problem. And over time, you're gonna see the problem on your credit card or in your pockets. So it looks all fine and good now, but when you go to it and you try to turn it on, like this one's okay. When you try to turn it on, like this, you say, oh man, look at that. It came apart. So somebody broke it. Whoever broke it, they gotta fix it. So I guess I broke it and I'm gonna fix it. So take this off here. See, I make it look easy. So know what you're doing, before you test something up. Worst off than you'll be, then you gotta call a plumber. So I'm gonna take this valve out right here. And I'm just letting you know, I gotta go grab some more tools. I need my rusty busted pipe wrench. And I gotta go trying to shut the water off. But is the water already shut off? So I guess I'm gonna have to get back to you when I start replacing it. Okay, I'm back here. This is the fun part. Getting it off of my pipe wrench here. And I'm a one-man show, so let's see how you crack this valve here. With one hand here, I already loosened it, so it should be okay. There you go. It's turning. Make sure you got a good pipe wrench. It's turning. It's turning. Now either water gonna squirt out of here, or I'm gonna have to call a plumber. Either or. Okay. There's that. Oh man. That's something else. That's pretty corroded. Okay, so this is my problem right here. I hope I didn't mess up my nice glove, but so I gotta go to Home Depot and get this. Now a lot of them, they wanna place this rubber washer right there, but I'm not gonna do all that. I saved a little money up, so I can buy a whole one, because you see how bad it stripped it. I don't know who stripped it. I'm gonna have to send somebody my bill, but I guess this will be to be continued. All right, see you later. Okay, now I'm ready to go here. I just went to Home Depot and picked me up one of these valve stems right here. That's what it looks like, and it's from Huber. I had to make sure I get the right one, so if you run across something, you know what I'm saying, you gotta make sure you get the right one. So we're gonna remember this right here. That's the part number and everything. So you gotta make sure that this washer right here is on here, because you can put this on wrong too. So you wanna make sure you got everything. You got your Teflon tape here, your pipe thread. It's pipe thread and tape. So I'm all set to go here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my washer back on here, and then I'm gonna install it back into the shower. Okay. Here I go installing it back in here. Make sure it's going in here right here. So it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I got it tightened down here. So all right, there it is. That's what it looks like. Now I gotta put in my handle and everything, and I should be all set. Okay, I guess I can pause and then wait for the after effects. Okay, I'm back here now. I just put everything back on my handle and everything here. So now I want to see if it's going to shut off. Oh man, look like I made a mess. Oh, what time Home Depot closed? Okay, let's see now if it's going to hold. It's kind of better now. I can just do it with one hand. I was doing it with a pipe wrench last time. I guess I got something done, because you can kind of hear it, the valve closing. So now let's see if it was leaking like before. So it looks like it's going to hold. Yeah, what time Home Depot closed? Yeah. Okay, I'm all set. So, well, maybe next time I'll have something that I can fix. Well, ruin before I fix it. All right. See you later.